Nothing says fine dining while staying in Anaheim and Orange County like Cheesecake Factory, P.F. Chang's, California Pizza Kitchen, Red Robin, Outback Steakhouse, and other nationwide sit-down establishments. If you really want to go while eating out in Anaheim, Orange County while you're staying here, it's probably better for you to go with something that is not just nearby in the mall where you normally are back home. So if anything, this is my whole series about places out to eat out in Orange County. And so especially these locations are going to be primarily independent, regional within to the Southern California, Orange County, and also don't have nationwide locations to make us say, wow, I want to visit here back again when visit back in Orange County. I'm Ansel. Welcome to Ansel Travel. Join me as we eat out in Orange County. For this episode is Ballast Point Brewing in downtown Disney. Ballast Point is a independent brewery based in San Diego, with 6 tasting rooms and kitchens, except for San Diego. All of them here in California. One of the tasting rooms are in downtown Disney, taking over some of the former store locations. It's in one of the new dining options there, opened in January of 2020. The lower level has a host stand, while the upper level hosts a dining room, outdoor bar, indoor bar, and a merchandise shop at the cashier stand. My family and I have been there twice, one in the dining room and the other one in the outdoor bar. The dining room has traditional table service with seating and wait staff, while the outdoor bar is more casual beer garden where you see yourself with any open tables, all along with the wait staff hastily keeping up with the orders made through their Toast web app. You scan the QR code at the table and it correlates to what table is sitting at, and they can easily split the bill, since you are more bar setting where everyone tends to pay their own tab there. Both settings have an extensive drink options of Ballast Point beers, seltzers, and ciders on tap. I'm still a novice beer aficionado and learning about beers and alcohol. There is some information about drinking before moving forward. Make sure to drink responsibly. If you have any drinking issues, please get help from the addiction hotline. Since I'm a lightweight, I mainly drink about 4-ounce pours before getting a little tipsy there, especially since I am very light in weight. But if you're a bit heavier or more just to drink alcohol, you have a bit more better tolerance there. So make sure to always keep in mind before you start drinking. If you have a drink out of the bar, or a California Adventure, since you have a lot of drink options there, as well as like any sporting events, I would just get a ride both ways, or drink enough that I would know you get sober again before leaving. I would know that to make sure everything's fully out on my system. According to Alcohol Rehab Guide, the amount of alcohol in a drink is measured in alcohol per volume, or APV, which is the number of millimeters of ethanol per 100 millimeters, or 3.4 fluid ounces in a solution. While alcohol proof is twice the percentage of the alcohol body volume. In summary, the higher the number, the higher amount of alcohol. I don't like anything that's really heavy, such as Indian Pale Ales or IPAs, which is a lot of hops and alcohol content, averaging between 7 to 10% APV. I like what is dubbed crisp and bright, typical of lighter European beers. I got the beer flight of the crisp and light beers, which it has Long Fin Lager at 4.5 APV, Wahoo White Wheat Beer at 4.5 APV, Speedboat Salt and Lime Blonde Ale at 4.8 APV, and California Closed at 5.2 APV. All of them were good and relatively light in comparison to IPAs and heavier beers. If you need a caffeine buzz with your beer, the Ballast Point was promoting their newest beer in collaboration with San Diego-based coffee roaster Cafe Calabra, called the Victory at Sea. However, it is very heavy and only at about 10% APV, and I don't need a caffeine drink my buzz when I'm getting a drink in the evening. I really like the drinking glasses, so much so I bought one of their limited edition stem glasses with the logo of the beer and the skeleton pirate manning the ship helm at sea. Hence the name, Victory at Sea. Downtown Disney Tasting Room also has a kitchen so you can eat while you drink. Most meals have typical bar food options such as fries, pretzels, wings, chicken sandwiches, and burgers. They have healthier options such as ahe poke, such we got was like $24, and it was pretty good. And then they also had a Caesar salad for like $20, but with $6 chicken add-on. Yeah, that's a bit expensive. They also do have flatbreads. You can get with cauliflower crust, but which is like $4 more. And then also you can also get is fish tacos and acai bowls as well. You can top it off with a $15 vegan fudge brownie, which has no cow's milk or eggs, and it has whipped cream. Mostly it's not cow's milk, and then berries on top. Drink pours range about $4 for a 4 ounce, and then 16 ounces about $13 for light beer, and does vary depending on which one it is. A flight of 4 ounce beers is about $17, and let's say drinking and dining here is not cheap, but is really good, and it's a good way for guests to relax after a long day at Disney. However, mine and my friends had the brisket sandwiches once, and they did not really like it as it was really greasy and it's on the pretzel bun, but does their thing. I'm Ansel. Thanks for watching Ansel Travel.